Next, we are going to see the roller bearings. Okay, ball bearings have the radial loads only. They have the deep groove ball bearing and angular contact ball bearing, separable ball bearing, self-annealing ball bearing. Axial ball bearing is one more is separate for the ball bearing. Axial deep groove ball bearing, single direction deep groove ball bearing, double direction also is there. Next is a very important for the roller bearings. Roller bearings have the radial roller bearing, cylindrical roller bearing, needle roller bearing, tapered roller bearing, spherical roller bearing, and one more is there. Axial roller bearing is the axial spherical roller bearing. Okay. Next, we are going to see the bearings type. What is bearings? How they work? Bearings. A good bearing must be composed of a material that is strong enough to withstand the pressure imposed on it. Should permit the other surface to move with a minimum friction of wear. Bearing are required to take a radial loads and thrust loads only. Radial loads is different in the two waves, sliding and rolling. There are three types is there: plain bearings, roller bearings and baller bearings. See the diagram. There is a types of bearings is there. See the plain bearing. Plain bearing are used for the crankshaft, ram ring, camshaft connecting the rods. See the image. Ball bearing. Ball bearings have the both loads, radial loads and thirst loads. Okay, it consists of crude inner and outer races, one more sets of balls. Racker arm bearing are used for the reciprocating. Ball bearing both loads, it's used for the gas turbines engines only. Types of ball bearing and roller bearings. This is the outer ring and outer ring and inner ring of the bearings. Next, we are going to see the radial roller bearing. Radial roller bearing the transmission assembly such as a soft gear, control rod and end fittings. Such bearing provide a metal seat or synthetic rubber seals to prevent the lubricant, and with a circlips roof purpose, it increases the bearing capacity. See types of the roller bearings. Roller bearing, they used for the crankshaft main bearing. Rotating shaft in a gas turbine engine is supported by a deep groove ball bearing and is a straight roller bearing on the other end. Tapered roller bearing, the inner and outer rings raceways are segment of the cones and rollers or the tapers, so that the conical surface of these raceways and the roller axis generally make the motion of the cones. The roller are stabilized and resized by the flage on the inner ring, so that against which their large and the slides which supports the rollers from popping out due to the pumpkin seed effect of their conical shape. This is the spherical roller bearing. A spherical roller bearing is the rotating element bearing that permits the rotation with the low friction and permits the angular misalignment. Typically, these bearing supported to the rotating shaft only. See the image. There is a straight roller bearing. Here is the width and OT corner, outer ring, inner ring. See the down bore corner, shooters, separator. This is the roller element. This is the outside diameter bore. This is the face.